In this video I make a wooden plant shelf which will be mounted in the bathroom. I started out by cutting the stock into square sections. I set the fence on the table saw using the thickness of the wood. Here is the cut list. I used 21mm thick stock, but you could use any size that can reasonably be drilled into without splitting. Personally, for the aesthetic, I would stay between 18 and 32mm. Of course, you can scale this depending on the overall size of the shelf also. I then cross-cut the pieces to the required lengths. I cut the 45-degree angles on the sliding miter saw, checking the measurements as I went. I intentionally cut these pieces oversized when I was cross-cutting them on the table saw earlier.
Oh, that's at the back.
Yeah. I'm using dowels to join the pieces for the shelf supports, and so I drill some test holes in a piece of scrap wood to test the fit of the dowel. I then marked up the positions where I need to drill holes and drilled the holes at the drill press. I also added a small chamfer using the disc sander to all of the ends to soften the appearance. I drilled out the holes for the dowels in the angled pieces by clamping the pieces in their arrangement and using the holes in the straight pieces as a guide.
No, but I've done some pliers.
I trimmed the excess off the dowels using a dot trim saw. I then assembled the shelf itself using glue and screws to speed up the process, and because the top of the shelf wouldn't really be seen much. I also checked to make sure the pieces were square to each other. I screwed the brackets into the wall using wall plugs, but this depends on your particular wall construction. The shelf can be placed on top of the brackets or screwed down from the top also to secure it if required.